Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1366, and today's topic is in continuation of robot, AI and sensor combined technologies, the introduction and teaching of all these combined technologies at secondary level in Nigeria. It is not something big what I have mentioned in subheading like X-ray, MRI, ECG, angiography, angioplasty, then a visual field study, then robotic arm surgery. It is all very much advanced at moment in India and other advanced countries, and lot of work is done in healthcare sector, in medical world by robots. So once the students are trained at secondary level how to integrate all these, because sensors are very important nowadays, many of us, we are not understanding the role of sensors in combined technology of artificial intelligence and robotic. So at secondary level, if teachers are trained, we have laboratories, well developed laboratory where all the sensor kits, all the robot kits are available, and under the supervision of skilled teacher who are trained so that they can demonstrate the assembly, how to assemble, how to integrate all these things so that they will know that such type of robots are ready and they will be exposed to new technology, and it will open the door for them in many new exciting technologies where they will get more chance of getting job in foreign countries, even outside Nigeria. So that's why it is very important that in Nigeria also all these new emerging new technologies should be introduced. And introduced doesn't mean that only theory, no. Let there be lab, and in the lab all the kits are available and where we can teach them all these new robotic combined technologies. So here, for example, one I have written sonography is commonly known as ultrasound. So nowadays robots are doing all this ultrasound and it can detect so many tumor or inside any health condition. Then X-ray. X-ray is done by a robot. They are handling that X-ray machine and they can even read and they can even handle the X-ray plate. And then MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging is a type of image created by NMR, that is nuclear magnetic resonance, is a type of powerful electromagnetic machine where two powerful magnets are there, and now non-metallic robots are there inside and they can do all the work because any metallic interaction can be exploded, the whole machine can be collapsed. So in MRI machine, very expert and well trained skilled technologies should be there so that they can understand the power of those electromagnetic field, and under that field this imaging is done. Then number 5, angiography and angioplasty. The word angiography means to locate by injecting some dye in your blood, and wherever it is not absorbed means there is blockage, and if it is not reaching in any area, if traces are not found, it means it is absorbed by the blood and blood is reaching there. So in that case, the blockage can be identified and located. Then the second is angioplasty, means once it is located, then there we are putting a stent or we are doing ballooning so that that problem is over. So combined together is known as angiography and angioplasty. Both these two are done by robots nowadays with high precision. Then visual field testing. Visual field testing is your eye and how your eye is having visual we can say, condition, standard of your visibility around you, and that will determine the condition of your health, means whether your sugar level is high, whether you are suffering from some eye disease like glaucoma or some other eye damage. Then number 7 is laser eye surgery. Oh, robots are doing nowadays eye surgery, that is laser eye surgery, almost bloodless, and not only that, very small operation. And before for cataract operation it used to take months. Now within 2-3 days, no need even to put any dark glass, nothing, just within 10 minutes you do the surgery and come out with the help of robotic laser surgery. Then robot arm operation, that is called robot surgery. Last week, not last week, 2 weeks ago, very big surgery was done on one infant. That was heart surgery, was successful by robot in India. So all these things are going on, and we have to train our young generation. They should be exposed to such type of new technologies, artificial intelligence, application, sensor integration, and how when these are combined, they are so effective, so accurate. So I am going to show some of the images. So this is the image of the robot, and robot is in action taking ultrasound, that is under sonography. So no need of any human being, that will take the ultrasound, and all the peaks will appear on the paper, and on the basis of that paper even it will read and give the calculation. This is the combined technology of a robot, where AI sensor combined with integration of all these sensor. Robot is taking the X-ray, and it is competent enough or capable enough even to read and give the report of X-ray. You can see here, this is MRI machine, just like you can say a hole, and inside very powerful electromagnetic wave is produced with the help of powerful magnets, and non-metallic, because if there is any metallic thing, it is going to create lot of problems. So non-metallic robot is there inside, and it is taking care of all the magnetic resonance imaging performance, and on that basis every cell will be located. It is the image of the robot. There is no human being, automatically under the control of artificial intelligence and sensors combined is doing angiography, and in the same way it will be doing angioplasty. So both are done by robots. This is the image of visual field testing. I have already told you that with this testing your vision quality will be known, and on that basis the doctor can diagnose the condition of your diabetes, sugar level, and also some other diseases like glaucoma or cataract, so many other things. So that is done by the combination of AI, robot and sensor. It is automatically, robot is doing eye laser surgery, and no human hand is involved. They might be sitting somewhere in the room in front of their laptop, and all the signals are there combined with artificial intelligence, sensor and robotic arm. This is called robotic arm surgery, and I have already mentioned that 2 weeks ago in India, some 1,600 kilometers away, these robots, they performed the surgery on infant. That infant was only 16 months old, and that cardiac open heart surgery was very successful. So here in summary I have given how in Nigeria we can train, we can teach all these new technologies at secondary school level, so that they will understand and learn how to integrate all these sensors, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and different type of robotic model. They can assemble themselves and they will learn a lot. It is very exciting, and definitely they will be having a lot of confidence for new exciting career. So here, number one, training secondary school students in healthcare sector in Nigeria by using Nigeria by using combined technology of artificial intelligence, sensor and robots integrated in exciting field for young generation. So number one, ultrasound, commonly known as sonography. So ultrasound sensors are available, and these sensors are used to stimulate sonography and teach students about data and image analysis. Number two, three ECG, that is electrocardiogram, in integrate ECG sensors and to teach students about cardiac signals processing and its analysis. Number four, visual field testing. The combined sensors and artificial intelligence is there to stimulate the visual field testing and train students about ophthalmic diagnostic. Nowadays, ophthalmic diagnostic process is there, where I have already told you that by seeing the quality of visual around that person, you can understand his sugar level, his eye problem, glaucoma, cataract, all these things. Number five, robot arm surgery. Nowadays is becoming very, very interesting and exciting, especially in India, and they are doing a lot of robotic surgery. Use sensors plus AI to control robot arms and teach students about the importance of robotic surgery in future. Number six, teach AI machine learning. Actually, all these things, basic concept, a student should understand. Algorithm, that is the ratio. Artificial intelligence means it is working on the basis of data. Machine learning means what human we are learning, machine is learning same thing. So that is called machine learning. So all these are very important, and they are all working on different type of wavelength and electromagnetic radiation and frequencies. So number one is image analysis by using algorithm and image analysis. So students at secondary level, we can train them and teach them about such type of analysis. Second, signal processing. Teach students how AI can analyze physical and biochemical condition. Then number three, predictive modeling. Teach students machine learning to build predictive model of robot and disease diagnosis. There is benefit of hand-on experience to students in interdisciplinary learning, career awareness, and that is by following approach we can provide secondary school students with AI and robot sensor, that is integrated combined technology in healthcare is a very, very exciting career for them. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.